getting so sick and tired of Microsoft's proprietary bullshit. What am I ever going to do? I mean, there's no possible way that... Hello? What is this? Wubuntu, huh? Well, what should I test this out on? ThinkPad? Nah. You're perfectly fine the way you are. What computer can I use? My custom rig! If only I had a keyboard and mouse. Much better. Today, we are going to be installing Wubuntu. No, I am dead serious. This actually exists. So basically what Wubuntu is, it's just a version of Ubuntu that's made to look like Windows 11. I don't understand. Why does it exist? I just want to know, why does it exist? You could argue, oh, it's to help run Windows games. What we're going to do is we're going to take this hard drive, put it in, and we're going to install it onto this because I don't want to wipe out my SSD. Let me get my USB thumb drive, and yes, I baited you all. I didn't actually put it on this disk. Ha 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 ha. Alright, so got the thumb drive. Let's plug her in. And actually what I'm going to do is turn off the computer here and take out the SSD so we can just put in our hard drive. Yeah, the drive's going, I think. Let's see, is it gonna boot anything? I'm just wondering if this has anything on it. Well, this is interesting. So actually, let me check in the BIOS and see if it shows. Actually, it's weird. It's kind of making like this clicking sound. That's probably not a good sign. I found another hard drive. I got a 500 gig hard drive here. Oh, that's already way better. That just booted up to the BIOS just quick, like that. Just in a snap. Oh wait, here we go. Yep, there we go. There's our WDC Western Digital 500 gig hard drive. We're actually gonna try and boot from the thumb drive here. So, I hope this works. I really hope this works, because if not, I might have to change plans on this altogether. Hard disk boot. Oh wait, here we go. Found it. I think I found it. There we go. Yeah, I know this uses the Northwood Pentium 4s. So this is a little older, so it's probably, again, 2003, 2004. But anyway, yeah, let's see if this works. Moment of truth here, guys. Will this work? Yeah, come on. Yeah! It works. At least I think. Hopefully we can get past the... don't tell me we froze here. Okay, see, I'm hitting F2. Yeah, it's just not wanting to load here. Maybe I'll give it some time and hopefully it'll load. Well, this is not good. Unfortunately, unable to boot on this thing, so I guess we're probably gonna have to go to the next best thing. Virtual machines. Virtual machine. Oh boy, yeah, let's put this disk in our computer and oh no. Oh well. I just can't believe this actually exists. Like, why does this even exist? After you lied to me about this, I'm not gonna choose this VMware. We're gonna go full on NVMe, baby. Fire her up. Yeah, there we go. Oh, we're getting farther. Hey guys, look, we're getting farther. We're definitely, because I didn't see that when installing it on the retro rig. Yeah, there we go. All right. Oh wow, I just noticed that right off the bat. Look at the windows. Look at the cursor. Oh my God. What? Wow. Holy sh... This legit, I gotta tell ya, first impressions, this is flabbergasting. Like, this almost looks like, this is like Windows 10 almost down to a T. They even copied the... Oh my God, look at this. I mean, granted, it's not 100%, but yeah, no, look, that is, I don't know what to say about this so far. 40s? Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Oh. Are they look at this. Are they trying to get sued here? It's like, oh my god. Yeah, this definitely looks like something Microsoft themselves would make, because I mean, look at the borders here. Let's see the start menu. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This is... look at this, dude. Oh my god, this is crazy. Like, let's see the file explorer. Just curious. Oh my god. I mean, this is Dolphin, so I mean, obviously it's... but look at even the colors. They really tried to make this like file explorer. The icons, the color, just everything. Look. Have like a Windows folder. No, okay. I was gonna say, if they did that, I would have just lost it. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, no, these actually look pretty original, except for the Windows 11 wallpaper. But you know, for this video, we're gonna select a Windows wallpaper. No, I don't want to open containing folder. I just want to set it. Oh wait, I'm stupid. Here we go. Yeah, perfect. Help Microsoft improve our products. How about you stop sticking your heads up my ass and let me use my product? Okay, so yeah, internet works perfectly fine. Oh my god, I just realized with the setup too. Look at the icon used for this. It's a Windows logo. But honestly, considering, you know, this is Linux, I doubt it's gonna work well. Because no, let me tell you, I've used Linux, and whenever I try running Windows applications through Wine, I mean, for some applications, it's perfect, but then there's others where I'd rather just use Windows for these applications. It blows my mind. Who would think to make a version of Ubuntu based off of Windows? Yeah, I can imagine there's gonna be lawsuits written all over this. This is literally, that's literally the Windows 11. Look, no, hang on. Wait, there's a product key for this? Oh, go away. Go away. I mean, minus the lag, of course, but again, I think that's just... that might just be the virtual machine. So, yeah, I mean, besides that, yeah, no, this runs pretty good. Yeah, I don't have any complaints. Fun video, man, but please cut your fingernail. Well, hey, look. Look. They're cut. They're cut. You happy now? I'm just kidding. I mean, we could try Revenge of Arcade. Why not? Nice, there we go. So let's click install and let's see what happens. All right, let's try, I guess. Let's try Miss Pac-Man. Let's see what happens. Oh, come on. Oh, bullshit. Yeah, the audio's not even doing so well. Yeah, it didn't even show me like the progress. It just cut. Can we just run him off of here? No, nothing works. That is not a good sign for you, Wubuntu. 3D Ultra Pinball, baby! Yeah. Oh! It works! This works. As laggy as it is. Man, yeah, no, this is... oh my god. We're sorry you have encountered an internal game error. Please restart your game. Wow, are you kidding me? Wow, this is embarrassing. Let's just install it. Actually, I probably don't even need to install. I could probably just play it. Oh, well, we're in the installer. Look at that background in glorious 640 by 480. All right, so moment of truth here, guys. Will this run? Will this run? What was that? What was that? Come on, baby, please. Lego Island 2. This is pathetic. Wubuntu my ass. Oh, copyright, 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 copyright. Copyright, copyright, copyright. Product registration. That it's not gonna show me. Yeah, I can tell this is glitching out. Okay, yeah, it is glitching out. It just gave me a completely separate window. No! Oh my god, almost not even a single one of these games I can get to work. Oh my god. Alright, fine. You want to play it that way? Is there a way to... Can I switch to 256 colors in Linux? Alright, so let's try some modern software here. So we're going to start with Audacity for Windows. And yes, I know there is Audacity for Linux, but we're going to try running the Windows version just to see how it runs. Yeah, let's just launch Audacity and... There we go! Nice! Yeah, no, as you can see, I mean, Audacity works. Foobar 2000. I love this audio player. It's probably one of my favorite ones, period, just because it can play so many different formats. Especially once you install, like, all the extra components and stuff. You can play video game music. I mean, you can play all kinds of stuff. All right, let's run it, and this should work. Yep, there we go. Perfect. So yeah, I mean, it seems like a lot, or not a lot, but definitely some of the modern programs run on Wubuntu just fine. But I think, again, it just depends on how light the program is. Like, let's try Virtual DJ. Why not? I know this program is very heavy, and it definitely requires a lot of dependencies. All right, so let's launch Virtual DJ. Let's see if this works. Because no, I remember this graphically just glitching out. No, that failed. Actually, can we just run it from here? It needs like some form of DirectX or something. I mean, you could probably install it. I don't fully remember how to use Linux, so well, that's gonna suck, because now anything DirectX based just will not work because it needs DirectX, and by default this doesn't have DirectX on it. Which again, considering this is Wubuntu, you know, a Windows version of Ubuntu, you think there would be DirectX in it, but I guess not. How about RetroArch? Why not? Let's see if RetroArch works. I will say though, in some way, I can imagine this running better actually on the retro rig I got, but of course, because it needs a 64-bit CPU. Yeah, that's not good. That's not gonna happen. So. Yeah, let's just run RetroArch and let's see what we can get. I'm not going to run any games on RetroArch. I'm just going to see if it launches at least. So that way you might be able to use it. If you want to use the Windows version at least. Again, if you're using Ubuntu or anything Linux-based, it's always best just to use the Linux version. Just because the performance is just... You know, not only is the performance so much better, but you also have pretty much all the dependencies you need. Where with Windows programs, you have to install them manually, and it's just... it's a pain. It's just a pain. I wouldn't be shocked if this doesn't work. It doesn't work. So, what have we learned here, ladies and gentlemen? In my opinion, I would not recommend using this, because... One, this is just Ubuntu with a Windows skin. I mean, hey, unless if you like having a Windows skin, but besides that, yeah, no, this is just Ubuntu. Secondly, you know, because it's Ubuntu, you won't have that Windows compatibility because obviously Microsoft owns the rights to those certain compatibilities and function calls and all that, so if you want to run Windows programs, I would at least just run Windows on a virtual machine or run it on like a separate computer, and then you can install your Windows hardware or your Windows software from that point. I am not a big fan of this. I mean, hey, you know what? The internet works fine on it, but I think literally besides installing Linux stuff, that's pretty much the only thing you can do that's remotely similar to a Windows experience. And even then, like Edge here, for example, is the Linux version of Edge. It's not the Windows version. So it's not really like full on Windows. It's just Ubuntu with a Windows skin. So yeah, guys, those are my thoughts. If you want my opinion, I'd just stay away from this. Again, unless if you really like the look of Windows 11 and you want to use Linux. But I mean, even then, I mean, there's Linux Mint. Yeah, you got Linux Mint, Ubuntu even. I mean, I don't fully support Ubuntu and the way they handle stuff, but hey, you know what? Ubuntu is still better than this garbage. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, because woo, man, I love making these videos. So again, if you guys like the content, you know, make sure you click you click the like button, subscribe, share the video, you know, leave me a comment saying how you felt about the video. Anyway, guys, until next time, peace.